Hey guys, today we're gonna look at the 8110. Just kidding, not this one. We're gonna do an unboxing of the new one. Let's first, let me dim the lights a little bit. Let's first look at the box, and then we can compare this one with the old one. That's 4G. Here are the specs. It has a 2 megapixel camera, Qualcomm 205. It has a different operating system. It doesn't use Android or something else. It's a future phone, what they call it. Let's look what's inside of it. Let me see how to open this. I think yes. Okay. What now? Okay. There are also tape here. It's very weird packaging. So, when you open it, you have two boxes. One where you see the phone. Let me pull out. It's definitely a fingerprint magnet. Look at it now. It looks nice. Oh, you need to put your fingernails in here. This is the phone. Here's a SIM card tray. And that's it. Oh, and the micro SD card slot is also here. There's a micro SD slot, headphone jack, nothing else. Let's see what we get inside the box. We get a charging brick. Let me see. I don't know if you could read it. It's 550 milliamps, 5 volt, 550 milliamp hours. That is a European style. We got ourselves a quick start guide. How to put your SIM card. Okay, it's stuck in there. Let me use this side. Get ourselves our battery. It's a BV6A. It's almost the same as every other Nokia battery. It has a 1500 mAh battery, 5.78 watt hours. And you get a real cheap headset. It should even be better if they didn't give this. It doesn't have a button or anything, I think. No button, nothing. Let's power this thing on. I don't know if it needs a SIM card. Wait a second. I do have a SIM card. Here you have a SIM card. It's a cheap prepaid card. You get these for free, and you only pay if you top it up and want to make a call. So we don't need to make a call. Let me see. It needs to go this way. Here button. Maybe this is the power button, I think. Yes. It's powered by iOS. Let me put the back casing inside. It sure takes a long time to boot. Okay, here we go. Come on. Yes. Let's skip everything. Let's go through the menus. We have our call log, messages, camera, Snake, YouTube, Google, calendar, calculators, and some games. Oh. I got a message from the provider. Okay. Let's go back. You have recorder, unit converters, all the basic stuff. Now let's compare this with this. The size is almost identical, that's why they made this one bigger, I think. The new one is definitely slimmer. And the old one, I don't even know why everyone thinks about Snake when they think about Nokia phones. But this one didn't have one, because the screen was also only showing characters and not pixels. Let me see if I could power this on. Okay, I have found charging. This is the old one. You don't add call register, messages, call options, phone settings. Let us compare the ringtones. Memory function, cleaning settings. the level, the type. Let's see, where is it in this one? Not personalization, yes, sound, tones, ringtones. We only have, let's see, 16 ringtones in here. That's all. We go to the new one. A lot more, I think. Yes. They are a little different. The only one that sounds like it is this one. But for the rest, it's a nice phone. I bought it pure for the nostalgic appeal, because I collect also a couple of old phones. And I like that. Oh, there's one point that I don't like about this phone, and I knew that before I bought it. If you look at the sliders, let's see if you see the difference. This one has a microphone in here, so when you slide it open, this one comes exactly where your mouth is if you have a big head, or you could put it on the half height. That's why this one has two stands, this side or this side, because the microphone was in here and not in the phone housing. And this one has a dumb cover because the microphone is in here. I don't know if you could see it in there. So the cover is actually a dummy with only these pins touching the sensor, I think, inside, so that it knows that it's open or closed. That's it. This one is a dumb cover. This one was a little bit smarter. That's the comparison and the unboxing of the Nokia 8110 4G LTE. Have a nice day. Bye bye.